first of three.
Milosevic's machine gun fire splits the enemy soldier in two. More Germans edge up to the dugouts. One is wielding a potato masher grenade. Milosevic lets out one last rip from the machine gun. The German is eliminated.